I'm sure you've heard the news. Chevy Silverado brake problems are scaring drivers everywhere. Let's break down what's happening and what you can do about it. First, let's talk about the problem. Many Chevy Silverado owners are reporting that their brakes suddenly stop working or feel soft and spongy. This can make it hard to slow down or stop, especially in an emergency. So what's causing this? Most often, the issue comes from a faulty brake vacuum pump. When this pump fails, your brakes can lose power, making it much harder to stop. Some drivers also find leaking brake fluid or worn-out brake pads. How can you tell if your brakes aren't working right? Watch for warning signs like a stiff or sinking brake pedal, squeaking noises, or a warning light on your dashboard. If you notice any of these, don't wait. Get your truck checked right away. What's the fix? For many, replacing the brake vacuum pump solves the problem. Other times you might need new brake pads or a fluid refill. And remember, regular brake checks can help you spot small issues before they become big problems. Stay safe on the road. If your Chevy Silverado's brakes aren't working, don't risk it. Get help from a professional. Your safety comes first.